Autism is not a mental illness. It's a different way of thinking, creating, and excelling. The corporate world and society at large need to stop labeling and start recognizing the extraordinary strengths of people on the spectrum. Hindi sila baliw, hindi sila broken. They are a special breed of thinkers and doers. Mga tao na kayang magbigay ng kakaibang perspective at productivity na hindi mo makukuha sa typical na workplace. And yet, society keeps judging them. Stop it. This is the conversation na hindi mo dapat palampasin.
You know, you never get cured of autism. But what you do is you learn better, is you learn more and more things.
Well, I didn't speak until I was 4. Now I have a BA and a master's, and I'm studying for my doctorate.
Hi, I'm Coach Jay, and welcome to my channel.
Okay, let's go.
Autism spectrum disorder is often misunderstood, lalo na sa corporate world at sa lipunan. Madalas silang tinatablan ng stigma na para bang mental illness ang autism. Pero, ang katotohanan, hindi sila mentally ill, hindi sila crazy. They are wired differently, and that difference brings unmatched strengths. Ang problema, mas nakikita ng tao ang kanilang kahinaan sa social interaction kaysa sa kanilang brilliance sa problem solving, creativity, at focus. This is the blind spot na kailangan nating pag-usapan because the future of work depends on embracing neurodiversity.
Hey buddy, just a quick one. If you like it here, please subscribe and follow me for more videos.
Go! What's your sole purpose in this army?
To do whatever you tell me, drill sergeant?
God damn it, Gump! You're a goddamn genius! That's the most outstanding answer I've ever heard. You must have a goddamn IQ of 160.
Kapag sinabi mong autism, ang unang pumapasok sa isip ng marami ay hirap makisama. Totoo, hindi sila natural sa small talk, hindi sila mahilig sa office politics. Pero bakit natin ginagawang weakness ang hindi naman kailangan sa productivity? Ang corporate world ay obsessed sa soft skills. Pero ang mga nasa spectrum ay may hardwired strengths na hindi matutumbasan. Imagine someone who can focus on details for hours, who can spot patterns na hindi nakikita ng iba, who can deliver output na walang bahid ng shortcuts. That's autism at work. Sa mga kumpanya, autistic individuals excel in IT, engineering, analytics, design, culinary arts, at kahit sa creative storytelling. Ang kanilang ability to hyper-focus is a superpower, hindi distraction. Ang kanilang honesty at directness ay refreshing. Walang sugarcoating, walang politics. Pero dahil hindi sila magaling sa pakikisama, madalas silang naiiwan sa sidelines. Corporate leaders need to wake up. Kung productivity ang habol, bakit hindi natin binibigyan ng spotlight ang mga taong kayang magdala ng extraordinary results? Society also needs to stop equating autism with sadness or dysfunction. People on the spectrum are happy, caring, loving. Hindi sila robot. Nararamdaman nila ang emotions ng iba kahit hindi sila tumingin sa mata. They can sense you, they can feel you. Ang problema lang, hindi nila kayang i-express in the normal way. Pero bakit natin minamaliit ang ibang paraan ng pakikipag-ugnayan? Hindi ba mas mahalaga ang sincerity kaysa sa scripted smiles? Generations today need to learn that autism is not a limitation. It's a different operating system. Kung ang iba ay Windows, sila ay Linux. Iba ang interface, pero parehong powerful. Ang mga kabataan na exposed sa neurodiversity ay mas nagiging compassionate, mas nagiging innovative. Kasi natututo silang tanggapin na hindi lahat ng tao pare-pareho at hindi lahat ng brilliance ay nakikita sa boardroom presentations. Final message. Kung may isang bagay na dapat matutunan ng lahat, autism is talent, not tragedy. Hindi ito sakit. Hindi ito kahihiyan. It's a different way of being human. Ang corporate world na marunong magbigay ng tamang support at na accommodations ay makakakuha ng productivity na hindi mo makukuha sa normal hires. Ang society na marunong tumanggap ay makakakita ng mga tao na loving, caring, at deeply empathetic kahit hindi sila magaling sa pakikipag-usap. Ang lesson dito, stop judging, start embracing. Ang autism spectrum ay hindi dapat ituring na problem to fix, kundi strength to harness. Kapag natutunan nating tanggapin sila, mas magiging inclusive ang workplaces, mas magiging compassionate ang communities, at mas magiging innovative ang buong mundo. At kung hindi pa rin malinaw, autism is not crazy. It's brilliance in disguise.
I could eat about 1.5 million of these. My mom always said life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me for more videos.